Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. Today's video, we are going to be talking about a giveaway, and if you follow me on Facebook, you kind of know what I'm talking about. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Sometimes Facebook doesn't always show everyone what I post, but I had asked if you guys would be interested in a giveaway similar to the one we had for Christmas this past year. And a lot of you said yes, and some of you said no, but the majority said yes. So that is what this video is about. We are going to be having a giveaway, and the size of the giveaway depends on you. And what I mean by that, if you remember the Christmas giveaway, you guys had to send something in order to be entered, and then after so many items, I think each person got like 25 items, and I think we had five winners. But this one is going to be a little different. Sorry if the camera kind of shook there for a minute. I bumped the table. As you can see, we are in my kitchen, and you can probably hear my dog. My dog, he's drinking water. And that is my new puppy. That is Storm. I'm totally off topic right now, but that's Storm. You can see him right there. I'm gonna do a video dedicated solely to him in just a few days, or maybe a week, I don't know. He's kind of uncooperative. He's a puppy, so they're not very cooperative. But anyways, back to the giveaway. This one's gonna be different than the Christmas giveaway, and that is, it's only open to the US. And the reason that is because I just cannot afford to ship anything outside of the United States currently. It is really expensive. So it's only open to US, and it's only going to be yarn. And all you have to do to enter is mail in one skein of brand new yarn. And it can be something from your personal stash that you just haven't used yet, or maybe something that you just, maybe you're not fond of, but there's other people that might like it. Puppy interruptions, sorry. Yeah, but just one skein of yarn, that's it, and that will enter you into the giveaway. And I'm thinking there's only going to be one winner this time. So depending on how many people enter, you guys could win enough yarn to build your entire stash. Like if we get 100 people that enter, that's 100 skeins of yarn. And the more people that enter, the more yarn you get, and I think it's gonna be kind of exciting. We're gonna do it the same way. When I get the packages in, I'm gonna open them on camera and show everyone what is going in the giveaway so far, and I think it's gonna be fun. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will try to get through all of them, and you can find the mailing address in the description below, my P.O. box. All you have to do to enter, remember, is be a US resident and mail in one skein of brand new yarn. That's it. That's all. And you are entered to win possibly a lot of yarn, depending, like I said, on how many people who enter. So if you would like, you can share this video, because again, the more people who enter, the more yarn we get, the more yarn one person is going to win. So feel free to share this on your social media if you would like to. You don't have to, but if you would like to, you can. And yeah, so I think it's gonna run from today, so you can start mailing today. And I think the deadline is going to be June 4th, because this is kind of like for my birthday and my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. So my birthday is at the end of May, my 2-year anniversary on YouTube is June 5th. So I think we will announce the winner on June 5th. And so I will probably, the last time I'll check my P.O. box for this particular giveaway will be June 4th. And then I will announce the winner on June 5th. And anything I receive after June 4th will go in another giveaway. I think that's how we're gonna do it. And we're gonna pick the winner much differently than last time. If you remember, the Christmas giveaway winner announcement wasn't the greatest. It was my first one. I'm sorry, you guys. We did it live. I did it live. I picked names from like a little bucket thing I had. This time I think I'm going to make like a private video or an unlisted video that only I will see, and I'm just gonna enter everyone's name in the comments of that video, and then I'll do the YouTube randomizer to pick a winner that way. And we will do that on camera, and I will show you who won, and I think that's just much more fair. You guys can see me actually pick the winner and how it's all gonna be set up. So I think that is gonna be probably the best way to do it. And I don't know, if you guys have any better ideas on how to pick a winner, please let me know in the comments below. I'm open for suggestion. Like I said, I'm fairly new to this kind of thing, and whole YouTube. I know it's been like almost 2 years, but there's still so much to learn, and I'm still learning, and I have not been uploading a lot lately, but I need to get my channel going again in the forward direction because we're going in the backward direction. So if you have any good suggestions on how to pick a winner for this giveaway, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so again, US resident only. It is only 1 skein of brand new yarn. My dog is digging at the floor for no apparent reason. Storm! Come here, baby. Come here, Storm. He doesn't listen yet. He's a puppy. Oh, he listened. Yay. Anyways, sorry. US resident only, 1 skein of brand new yarn. Has to be to me by June 4th. And the P.O. box that you mail it to will be found in the description below. Again, any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you have any great suggestions on how to choose a winner, please leave those in the comments below as well. And that is going to be the video for today. I have a lot more coming. You may see me in the same shirt and in the same setting because I may make another video after this one. I'm not sure. Now I'm just rambling. So again, you guys, thank you everyone who has subscribed to my channel. We are almost at 75,000 subscribers. So excited. I really wanted to reach 100,000 subscribers by June 5th, by my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. It's not gonna happen. I get that, but I don't really care. I'm just happy that who is here, and I'm grateful for each and every one of you guys. So thank you so much for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. And if you are brand new and this is the first time you're seeing me, subscribe please and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos, and always check out the links in the description below. There's Facebook, Instagram. I have a private Facebook group where you can post questions, show off your work and what you've been working on, and just it's a nice little group. Everyone's very nice and very kind, and I haven't had any problems with people being rude or anything like that. So if you want to check out my private Facebook group, again, link is in the description below. And that's going to be it for today, you guys. Remember, US residents only 1 skein of brand new yarn will enter you in to the giveaway, and I really only want you guys to send in 1 skein. That's it. And that's it. And remember, they have to be in by June 4th. Can I ramble any longer? Probably I could, but I'm not going to. So that's going to be it for today, you guys. I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.